After weathering so many storms, the idea of being gentle can feel foreign, almost undeserved. But the rain has passed. It is time to come back to yourself. You learn to fight, to build your walls high and your armor thick. You learn to push past your limits, to keep moving even when every part of you screamed for rest. You learn to survive on the bare minimum, believing that was all you were allowed, but that was just a season. You also deserve profound peace. You deserve rest that truly restores, softness that soothes, and ease that feels like coming home. Not everything has to be a victory earned through pain and exhaustion. Some of life's greatest blessings arrive quietly, kindly, without any struggle at all. They simply ask to be received. You are not meant to live in a state of survival forever. That was a chapter, not the whole story. True strength is not in the tension you can hold, but in the grace with which you can let it go. It is knowing when to soften. So let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw. Let the quiet in. Let life meet you gently today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.